If Steam is giving you the content file locked error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This error usually happens when another program is holding onto a game file. Steam needs to update, and the most common causes are antivirus software, background processes, or a simple permissions issue. The good news is that this is usually an easy fix, and you do not need to reinstall Steam or your whole game library. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and useful tech fixes. Let's get started. The first and most effective fix is to restart your PC. This might sound basic, but it is the #1 solution for the Steam content file locked error because it clears out ghost processes, stuck background tasks, and temporary file locks that may still be active. If another program is silently holding the game file open, a full restart often releases it immediately. So before changing anything else, go ahead and restart your computer completely, then open Steam again and try the update one more time. If the error is still there after restarting, the next thing you should do is run Steam as administrator. Sometimes Steam does not have enough permission to modify certain game files, especially if Windows security settings or folder permissions are being strict. To do this, close Steam fully first. Then right-click the Steam shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu and choose Run as Administrator. If Steam launches correctly, go back and try the update or file verification again. Running as administrator gives Steam higher access rights, which can often solve locked file problems right away. If that does not fix it, the next step is to reset Winsock. This helps when network-related issues or damaged Windows socket settings are interfering with Steam's update process. To do this, open the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type net-esh winsock reset and press Enter. You should see a confirmation message letting you know the reset was successful. After that, restart your PC again so the network stack can refresh properly. Once your computer boots back up, open Steam and test the update again. Another common cause of the content file locked error is antivirus software. Real-time protection can sometimes think a Steam game file is suspicious or unsafe, and it will hold that file in place while scanning it. When that happens, Steam cannot update or replace the file. To test this, temporarily disable your antivirus real-time protection and see if the error disappears. If you prefer not to turn it off, a safer option is to add your Steam folder as an exclusion in your antivirus settings. That tells the antivirus program to leave Steam files alone while updates are happening. If this solves the issue, you can re-enable your protection afterward and keep the Steam folder excluded so the problem does not come back. If you want to be extra thorough, also make sure no other apps are using the same game files in the background. Close any launchers, overlays, recorders, file managers, or mod tools that may be interacting with Steam games. Sometimes a browser download, a backup tool, or even another Steam process can keep a file locked without you realizing it. You can also open Task Manager and end any suspicious Steam-related or game-related processes before trying again. After trying these steps, go back to Steam and run the update, repair, or file verification once more. In most cases, one of these fixes will clear the lock and let Steam finish the process normally. The fastest solution is usually a full restart, followed by running Steam as administrator, and then checking your antivirus settings if needed. So to recap, if you see the Steam content file locked error, first restart your PC, then run Steam as administrator, then reset Winsock from command prompt, and finally disable antivirus protection temporarily or add Steam as an exclusion. These steps cover the most common causes and should get your Steam library working again without much hassle. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.